हाँ, नारायण महोदय भवान् वदतु।
ओके। देयमन्त्रः। पठामि संस्कृतं नित्यं, वदामि संस्कृतं सदा, ध्यायामि संस्कृतं सम्यक्, वन्दे संस्कृतमातरं। संस्कृतस्य प्रसाराय नैजं सर्वं ददाम्यहं, संस्कृतस्य सदा भक्तो वन्दे संस्कृतमातरं। संस्कृतस्य कृते जीवन्, संस्कृतस्य कृते यजन्, आत्मानमाहुतं मन्ये वन्दे संस्कृतमातरं। वन्दे संस्कृतमातरं। वन्दे संस्कृतमातरं। धन्यवादः।
अस्तु, ध्यानश्लोकान् कः वदति?
If no one is ready, I will do, Mahodaya.
भवती वदतु ध्यानश्लोकान्।
धन्यवादः। ओंकारम्। ॐ ध्यानश्लोकाः। ॐ पार्थाय प्रतिबोधितां भगवता नारायणेन स्वयं व्यासेन ग्रथितां पुराणमुनिना मध्ये महाभारतम् अद्वैतामृतवर्षिणीं भगवतीम् अष्टादशाध्यायिनीम् अम्ब त्वामनुसन्दधामि भगवद्गीते भवद्वेषिणीम्। नमोऽस्तु ते व्यासविशालबुद्धे फुल्लारविन्दायतपत्रनेत्र येन त्वया भारततैलपूर्णः प्रज्वालितो ज्ञानमयप्रदीपः। प्रपन्नपारिजाताय स्तोत्रवेत्रैकपाणये ज्ञानमुद्राय कृष्णाय गीतामृतदुहे नमः। वसुदेवसुतं देवं कंसचाणूरमर्दनं देवकी परमानन्दं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुं। भीष्मद्रोणतडा जयद्रथजला गान्धारनीलोत्पला शल्यग्राहवती कृपेण वहनी कर्णेन वेलाकुला अश्वत्थामविकर्णघोरमकरा दुर्योधनावर्तिनी सोत्तीर्णा खलु पाण्डवैरणनदी कैवर्तकः केशवः। पाराशर्यवचः सरोजममलं गीतार्थगन्धोल्कडं नानाख्यानगकेसरं हरिकथा सम्बोधनाबोधितं। लोके सज्जनषट्पदैरहरः पेपीयमानं मुदा भूयाद्भारतपङ्कजं कलिमल प्रध्वंसिन श्रेयसे। मूगं करोति वाचालं पङ्गुं लङ्घयते गिरिं यत्कृपातमहं वन्दे परमानन्दमाधवम्। अथ गीतामाहात्म्यम्। गीताशास्त्रमिदं पुण्यं यः पठेत् प्रयतः पुमान् विष्णोपदमवाप्नोति भयशोकविवर्जितः। गीताध्ययनशीलस्य प्राणायामपरस्य च नैव सन्ति हि पापानि पूर्वजन्मकृतानि च। मलनिर्मोचनं पुंसां जलस्नानं दिने दिने सकृद्गीताम्भसि स्नानं संसारमलनाशनं। गीतासु गीता कर्तव्या किमन्यैः शास्त्रविस्तरैः या स्वयं पद्मनाभस्य मुखपद्माद्विनिसृता भारतामृतसर्वस्वं विष्णोर्वक्त्राद्विनिसृतं गीता गङ्गोदकं पीत्वा पुनर्जन्म न विद्यते सर्वोपनिषदो गावो दोग्धा गोपालनन्दनः पार्थो वत्सः सुधीर्भोक्ता दुग्धं गीतामृतं महत् एकं शास्त्रं देवकीपुत्रगीतम् एको देवो देवकीपुत्र एव एको मन्त्रस्तस्य नामानि यानि कर्माप्येकं तस्य देवस्य सेवा। अथ ध्यानम्। शान्ताकारं भुजगशयनं पद्मनाभं सुरेशं विश्वाधारं गगनसदृशं मेघवर्णं शुभाङ्गं लक्ष्मीकान्तं कमलनयनं योगिभिर्ध्यानगम्यं वन्दे विष्णुं भवभयहरं सर्वलोकैकनाथं यं ब्रह्मा वरुणेन्द्ररुद्रमरुत स्तुन्वन्ति दिव्यैस्तवैः वेदैः साङ्गपदक्रमोपनिषदैर्गायन्ति यं सामगाः ध्यानावस्थिततद्गतेन मनसा पश्यन्ति यं योगिनो यस्यान्तं न विदुः सुरासुरगणा देवाय तस्मै नमः। हरि ओम्।
उत्तमं। धन्यवादः। इदानीं वयं 12 पाठं पठामः। कृपया उद्घाटयन्तु। 77 पृष्ठं 12 पाठः। कश्चित् यतते सिद्धये। यथा अत्र शीर्षके दृश्यते चिच्चन प्रयोगः कश्चित्। यः वयं सर्वे दृष्टवन्तः। इदानीम् अहं स्क्रीन् शेर् करोमि प्रथमम्। अस्तु, इदानीं दृश्यते खलु सप्तककाराः। सो ककाराः के? किं, कदा, कुत्र, कुतः, कति, कथं, किमर्थं। सो किमर्थं we leave is not included. पृच्छतु। Oh, I think somebody has to mute. There are some people who are there is an echo. Nobody is there, but why the echo is there, I don't know. Okay, अस्तु।
महोदय मोटो G3E नाम एक दूरवाणी अस्ति तत्
कस्य अस्ति? भवतः वा?
न महोदय, अहं न।
मोटो G3, सत्यम्। एषः कः मोटो G3? हरि ओम्। मोटो G3 इति कः?
अतः महोदय एकवारं कार्यं करोतु। इदानीं सर्वेषां भवान् म्यूट् करोतु। आप्शन् अस्ति प्रायशः। अस्ति। तद् म्यूट् करोतु।
न जानामि कः अस्ति इति।
तद् दृश्यतु। कोऽपि वक्तुम् इच्छति चेत् तत् अन्म्यूट् कृत्वा वदन्ति, पुनः म्यूट् करणीयं।
सत्यं। एषः कः इति अहं न जानामि।
सत्यं, नूतनछात्रः प्रायशः।
एषः तु चिन्तनीयः विषयः महोदय। तत् आगच्छन्ति। अस्तु, तर्हि एतत् पश्यन्तु। सप्तककाराः किं, कदा, कुत्र, कुतः, कति, कथं, and किमर्थं we have removed, and kim, that it will have 3 different forms. In pullinga, ka, kauke. स्त्रीलिंगे स्त्रीलिंगे का, के, काः. नपुंसकलिंगे किं, के, कानि. तथा च तेषां सर्वेषां विभक्तिरूपाणि. तेषाम् अग्रे यदि चित् अथवा चन प्रत्ययः युज्यते तर्हि इनडिटर्मिनेट इति we don't know who is that. So इदानीं पश्यामः कथं कोऽपि आरम्भं करोति वा पठनार्थम्. अस्तु, अनन्मय पॉल, can you read the first sentence?
Yes sir. कस्मिंश्चित् ग्रामे कश्चन आश्रमः आसीत्.
Here there is a something in your pronunciation. Kasmischit grame. You said kashchan. There is no kashchan here. It is kaschana. Na is to be pronounced full. Kaschana. But kaschit, ta is half. Kaschit. So kasmischit grame kaschana ashramah asit. Now in kasmischit you remove chit. What remains?
Kasmin.
Kasmin. Now kasmin is what? Identify here.
सप्तमी एकवचन नपुंसकलिंग.
Napusakalingam or pullingam, both. So what is the meaning of kim sarvanama? Is what or who. So kasmin means in whom, or so if you want to make it indeterminate, that is we don't know where. So in some village, kasmischit grame, in some village. Kaschana. So you remove chana, what remains? That shakar becomes visarga. Kaha.
कहा.
So kaha means who. So now it is indeterminate. We don't know who is there. So someone. So somebody or someone. Ashrama asit. Some ashrama was there. Some. We don't know which one.
Sir, ashrama is pumlinga or napumsaklinga?
What is given in the book? Ashramaha or ashrama?
Ashrama. So it is pumlinga.
It has to be pullingam. Okay.
Okay.
So what is the meaning? किसी एक गांव में कोई एक आश्रम था. In some village there was a ashram. तत्र कश्चन गुरुः निवसति. Some guru stays there or lives there. निवसति. निवसति नि उपसर्गा वसधातु लट लकार प्रथम पुरुष एक वचन. निवसति रहता है या रहते हैं, कोई गुरुजी रहते हैं. तस्य दश शिष्याः आसन्. फर्स्ट सेंटेंस इज इन लट लकार. Immediately next sentence is in lang lakar. But you have to make this story goes like that. तस्य दश शिष्याः आसन्. उनके 10 शिष्य थे. आश्रम समीपे यस.
समीपे एव कचित् नदी प्रवहति स्म.
Not kachit, kachit.
काचित्.
Kachit. So ka is strilinge. Okay. Again indeterminate. कोई एक नदी बहती थी. Okay. Pravahati sma. Sma is when you use sma along with lat lakar, it is the indefinite past. बहती थी. Okay. या बह रही थी. Something like that. It used to flow. काचित नदी, कोई एक नदी. कदाचित. Yes.
स्त्रीलिंगन महोदय, स्त्रीलिंगन.
नदी.
का नदी का.
नदी is स्त्रीलिंगम ना.
Okay.
So काचित.
Okay महोदय.
काचित नदी प्रवहति स्म. कोई एक नदी बहती थी. Some river used to flow. But in English, you can't make out the gender. So you have to take the recourse to Indian languages. काचित नदी प्रवहति. कोई एक नदी बहती थी. Kadachit. Now remove chit. What remains? Kada. So kada means when. So indeterminate means sometimes. At one time. Guru kaishchit shishai saha. Now saha is your upapada, this one. So upapada vibhakti is for saha will be what? Which vibhakti? Tritiya. So shishai saha, along with the students. And kaishchit shishai saha. So now kaishchit and shishai is a vishesha and vishesha bhavaha. So with some students, kaishchit, okay, that indeterminate is there. We don't know who. He had 10 students. Out of them, some, either all or few of them. We don't know. Naukaya. What is Naukaya? Which vibhakti?
Tritiya vibhakti.
Tritiya.
Tritiya ekvachan.
But that saha doesn't have reference to Naukaya. It is saha is with shishai. Shishai saha. Naukaya means by the boat. कंचित देशम प्रति प्रस्थितवान आसीत. कंचित
Kachit here is ekvachan, right?
It is not kachit. It is kanchit. Kanchit. Okay. That is because of some sandhi rule which we will learn later. So you remove chit, it becomes kam. Now see kam in pullingam. Desha shabda is pullinga, napusakalinga. Pullinga. Okay. Desham and kam. Kam desham. And indeterminate. Kam desha, some country. किसी देश को. कमचित देशम प्रति. Prati is again your upapada. So upapada vibhakti dvitiya for prati. So desham prati. किसी देश को. Prasthitavan asit. Prasthitavan. What is the prasthitavan? Anybody can tell?
Prasthitavan.
But tell the entire breakup. Pra-upasarga.
Pra-upasarga.
No. Wait. Not bahuvachan. Pra-upasarga. Dhatu.
Stha.
And pratyaya.
Tavatu.
Tavatu pratyaya. So prasthitavat is a pratipadikam. And pullinga ekvachan. Prasthitavan. So what is the meaning of pra plus tha?
It's staying there.
Started going.
No.
It was there.
Tha tishthati is to stand. Pratisthati means what?
Proceed.
Proceed, yes. Okay. Or to start. Depart. Okay. So prasthitavan said he had departed to go to some country. I mean, he was going. That's all.
One question, sir.
Yes, Chadu.
Stha dhatu. And sthita is another dhatu, is it?
No. There is no sthita dhatu. Stha dhatu. If you apply only kta pratyaya, it is sthita. But if you apply tavatu pratyaya, sthitavat. Could you get?
Okay.
Ktavatu
So there is
pratyaya.
nothing but a sthita dhatu. Stha dhatu only.
ktavatu pratyaya. Prasthitavan asid. Okay. गमन समये एते पुरतः कुतश्चित् आगच्छन्तीं काञ्चित् नौकां दृष्टवन्तः. Now we will go slowly. Ete means Esha, Etau, Ete. These people. Ete दृष्टवन्तः. Again दृष्टवन्तः is दृष्ट धातु तवतु प्रत्ययः पुल्लिंगे बहुवचन. दृष्टवान, दृष्टवन्तौ, दृष्टवन्तः. They saw. That's all. In the sense of lang lakar. Ete drishtavanta. These people saw. What did they see? Naukam drishtavanta. They saw one boat. Kanchit naukam. Kanchit, some indefinite. Now nauka is strilingi. Dvitiya ekvachan. So kim shabdasya strilinge द्वितीय एकवचन काम का के का काम के काहा. So that काम added with chit will give kanchit. Kanchit naukam drishtavantah. They saw one some boat. And another visheshan for the nauka is agachantim. So agachantim is a upasarga gam dhatu shatru pratyaya agachat. And in strilinga it become agachanti and द्वितीय विभक्ति agachantim naukam. आ रही नौका को. The boat which was coming, they saw her. I mean, in English there is no, we don't say her, but here for the sake of Sanskrit. And where that boat was coming from? Kutaschit. Now you remove chit from there, what remains? Kutaha. So what is kutaha?
From somewhere.
So
Where?
somewhere. So from somewhere. So gamana samaye means while going. Ete, these people. Purataha, I mean in front of them. Kutaschit aganchantim kanchit naukam drishtavantah. They saw some boat which was coming from somewhere. In the river, not on the banks. Okay. Tasyam naukayam. Now naukayam is which vibhakti?
Saptami ekvachana.
Saptami. So in the boat. And tasyam, again visheshan vishesha bhava. In that boat. Bahavaha janaha asan. Again bahavaha janaha visheshan vishesha bhava. Kati janaha asan, bahavaha janaha asan. Many people. And bahavaha, can you identify the pratipadikam?
Bahu.
Bahu. Goes like guru. Guruhu, guru, guravaha, bahuhu, bahu, bahavaha. So janaha is anekvachanam. So bahava is also that visheshan vishesha bhava. Bhava jana asan. Asan is asdhatu langlakar prathama purush bahuvachan.
Mahodaya, atraiva, I mean, here also there is that doubt, right? Like say sarva is for each, right?
Prichadu?
Sarva in singular sense means for each, right? What is bahu in singular form? Like say bahu, bahu, bahavaha, right? Bahavaha is many. Many in many.
Many in Pullinga.
In Pullinga, yeah. But in what sense do we ask bahu in singular form? Bahuni, okay.
It is a good question. Even I don't know. Because I knew about Sarvaha, I could answer that. But I have not heard Bahuhu in the Pullinga form in a sentence anywhere. Okay. So it is something like Bahu Shabda has to be used in Anekvachanam, Bahuvachanam only. Okay. But to form the what is it, forms, use the pattern like guru, right? Like guruna. So we don't know whether bahuna is used anywhere. I mean, at least I have not seen.
Okay.
But Bahubhihi Janaihi, yes, it is. It is a form well seen in the literature. I mean,
Mahodaya.
this is something like, okay, Jalam Jale Jalani, right? Where do you use Jalani? Nowhere.
Nowhere.
So the forms grammatically they are possible, but nowhere used
It's
in
not
the
used.
language.
प्रायः समासकाले उपयोगं करोति, I mean,
No,
बहु
Samasakale,
तत्र
no, Samasakale, they totally different topic. We will learn. Huh?
ओके
On that
ओके
is
अस्तु
Samas Prakaranam.
अस्तु 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 महोदय
Okay. But as a good question. But Sarvaha, I have seen that being used in literature. Okay. But Bahu Ekvachani, I have not seen.
अस्तु महोदय
Right. धन्यवादः.
धन्यवादः
तस्यां नौकायां बहवः जनाः आसन्. यदा एते दृष्टवन्तः, when they saw, तदा एव, at that time itself, सा नौका अकस्मात् काञ्चित् शिलां घट्टयित्वा भग्ना अभवत्. So काञ्चित् शिलां, again Shila is rock, but Shila is a strilingi shabda. So Dvitiya Ekvachan Shilam. So in Kanchit is again strilinge Dvitiya Ekvachan Kam. Add chit pratyak. So Kanchit Shilam Ghattaitva. After dashing against that, Bhagna Abhavat. Bhagna is broken. Bhagna Abhavat. It became, I mean, it broke down. नौकायां स्थिताः सर्वे, अगेन स्थिताः सर्वे, विशेषण विशेष भावः, all people sitting in the nauka, nadyam apatan, fell in the river, kechanam mrutaha, again kaha kau ke, kechana, so some of them died, mrutaha, अन्ये kechana, some other people, kathanchit, somehow, raksham praptavantaha. Okay, again that tavatu pratyaya raksham praptavanta, they found a security, I mean they could escape, simple. Tad drishyam drishtva guruhu shishyan uktavan. So tam drishyam drishtva, here drishyam drishtva, so drishtva is drish dhatu tva pratyay, after seeing, tad drishyam, that scene. Now here Drushya is a napusakalingi shabda. Okay. So drishyam, drishye, drishyani, drishyam, drishye, drishyani. Now here, do you use prathama vibhakti or dvitiya vibhakti? Even tad is a napusakalingi. Tatte tani, tatte tani. So where do you use, I mean, whether to use prathama vibhakti, I mean, to identify this as a prathama vibhakti or dvitiya vibhakti? Which one you
तत्तु
prefer?
कर्मपद आसीत् महोदय तत्तु कर्मपद आसीत् कर्तरिप्रयोगे कर्मपद द्वितीयविभक्ति आसीत् that's the reason
that is okay, but here that karmani and kartari, I mean that is okay, but here tam drishyam drishtva, after seeing that scene, so here itself that karma padam is there. Okay, so it is dvitiya vibhakti. Guru shishyan uktavan, he said to the students, नौकायां कश्चन दुष्टः आसीत्, तस्य एकस्य कारणतः एषा दुर्घटना संभूता. Okay, कश्चन दुष्टः आसीत्, some bad fellow
One
over
question,
there.
sir.
Huh?
One question.
Prichadu?
This word tad drushyam drushtum. So this word tad is pratipadikam or padam? Because tad is dakaranta shabda, no?
Correct. No, dakaranta asti. Tad sarvanam. Okay. Napusakalinge tad te tani. So it is a dvitiya vibhakti. So since it is vibhakti yukta shabdaha, it is a padam, not pratipadikam.
Okay.
Where does that pratyaya go? That is not for this class. Okay. Definitely the original pratipadikam is also tad. Add pratyaya, either prathama vibhakti pratyaya or dvitiya vibhakti pratyaya, and then for some reason or the other that pratyaya is not seen. It is present, but it is not seen. What they say in grammar is adarshanam lopaha. Okay, it is present, but it is not seen or not said, not pronounced, but the pratyaya is there, present. So since the pratyaya is present, it is a padam and it is not a pratipadikam. Okay.
How one understand that pratyaya is present, or it is outside scope now?
No. The very fact that the word has been used is you cannot use any pratipadikam without pratyaya. Since somebody has written that, I mean, you will ask who gave him the authority or this one. How do we know that the pratyaya is there or not? That we will learn slowly. I mean, in maybe in the Gita Sopan or later.
Okay.
Right now,
but if we could have written that as tat drushyam, what difference it would have made?
Nothing. I mean, you may not know whether it is a pratipadikam or this one. And no, this one is if you form a compound word tadrishyam. Perfectly all right. Nothing wrong.
Okay, fine.
Either you form a compound word tadrishyam or you put separately tadrishyam. Both are in dvitiya vibhakti ekvachan. Both are okay.
But you cannot put tat drushyam.
No, that's what I'm asking, na. So this one you combine separately. You combine them and then put tadrishyam. I'll write and ask. Okay, like here.
Okay.
You want to say like this?
Okay.
So this is also okay. I mean, this is a compound word. Or this is two separate words. But here, this has its own vibhakti pratyaya. Here also, it has its own vibhakti pratyaya Here also is there, but it is not seen. Okay. I mean, for a beginner, it will be very difficult to identify whether it is pratyaya is there or present or not. Okay, no problem. Take it granted it is there.
All right, for the time being, we proceed.
Yeah.
tat drishyam mahodaya. Tat drishyam.
No, that the will not be there. Okay. You want to say
this we should not write?
Because original itself the padam is like this, tad. Dakaranta sarvanam asti, tasya dvitiya vibhakti eva tadeva bhavati. Secondly, if you want to say tat, no harm. But since the next letter is the, drishyam, that sandhi will happen. Again, it will come back to the. We will learn sandhi in the next class. Gita Sopan 3. Okay. So take it for granted right now. It is okay. So tadrishyam drishtva guruhu shishyan uktavan naukayam kaschana dushtaha asit. Some dushta was there, bad fellow. तस्य एकस्य कारणतः एषा दुर्घटना संभूता. Now that कारणतः यहाँ वह वयं सर्वे अहं पाठितवान्. तः इत्युक्ते पञ्चमी इति प्रत्ययः भवति. ओके, either you say कारणात् or say कारणतः. So एकस्य कारणात्, because of one fellow, Esha Durgatana Sambhuta. This bad thing happened. Durgatana Sambhuta. Nirbhagyaha Kechana. Nirbhagya means those who did not have luck. Kechana, some people. Mrutyumukham Pravishtavantaha. Pravishtavantaha Pradhatu Vish, sorry, Pra Upasarga Vishadhatu. Again Tavatu Pratyaya. Pravishtavantaha, they entered. Mrutyumukham, they entered the mouths of the death. Kechana, some unlucky people. Anye kechana mritaprayahascha sanjataha. Mritaprayaha is almost dead. Not exactly dead, but almost dead. I mean, as we see in the news, the number of dead may increase. From where? In some, say, some building collapse like 2 days back somewhere in Bhiwandi. So the number of dead people keeps on increasing because some people are on the verge of dying. They later die. So the mrita prayaha means almost dead and on the verge of dying. Anye kechana mrita prayaha cha sanjataha. They became almost dead like. Iti. Guroho vachanam shrutva सर्वे शिष्या आश्चर्येण तम पृष्टवन्तः. श्रुत्वा, श्रुधातु त्वा प्रत्यय, आफ्टर लिसनिंग. आफ्टर लिसनिंग व्हाट? गुरोः वचनम. गुरोः षष्ठी विभक्ति. सो गुरु's वचनम, I mean saying this speech, after listening to that, सर्वे शिष्याः आश्चर्येण तम पृष्टवन्तः. They asked him with surprise. गुरो, हे गुरु, संबोधन. तेषु कश्चित् दुष्टः स्यात् नाम. नाम is something like maybe. Okay, it is used as a avyaya. Teshu kaschit, teshu among them, kaschit, somebody, dushta syat. Syat is asdhatu, vidhiling lakar, prathama purush, ekvajan. Syat means maybe. Some bad fellow may be there or might have been there. Parantu ekasya dushtasya karanena, because of one fellow, one bad fellow, because of him, karanena निरपराधैः अन्यैः अपि मरणं प्राप्तव्यम्. अन्यैः प्राप्तव्यम् is a karmani sense. In the kartari sense, अन्याः अपि प्राप्तवन्तः. Okay, or अन्यैः अपि प्राप्तव्यम्, they should get the death. Nirapradaihi anyaihi, I mean, what to say, they don't have anything. I mean, they were faultless. Iti etat.
Listen.
Huh? Pardon?
Innocent.
Yeah, innocent. Yes, correct. Nirapradahi anyahi. By other innocent people, why should they die? One fellow was bad, but that when the accident happened, there are many other people who also died. So why, because of one bad fellow, why the other innocents also should have death? Katham samichinam. Katham is again how. How good is that? How that can be justified? Something like Bhavedidi. Guru kinchidapi naktavan. Kinchidapi. Kimchit. Anything. He did not speak anything. Swalpa samayanantaram te anyat tiram praptavantaha. They crossed the whole thing and they went to the other bank of the river. Sarve agre gacchantah asan. Now, sarve agre. Now here both are ekaranta, but it is not visheshan visheshya bhava. Okay. Agre is a totally different thing. Agre is saptami ekvachan of agra. Agra is the lead or the point. The point of a pointed, like sharp pencil. You can say the tip of the pencil is called agra. So agre means in the forward direction. Sarve agre gacchantah asan. They were going ahead. Tada kenachit shishyena, by some shishya, sikkatas nimagnaha. Sikkata is sand. Okay, one particle of sand, and sikkatasu bahuvachan is many particles of the sand. Na? So I mean, on the bank of the river, the sand is abundant. In that sikkatasu saptami, nimagnaha kaschana shankaha. Nimagnaha is that anyway, I'll not give the grammar, but the drowned or hiding something in the sand. Kaschana shankaha, some shankha, conch, drushta, it was seen by him, by some student. Saha katham tam gruhitva itastataha bhramitavan. Saha, that student, kathanchit, somehow, tam gruhitva, that conch, after taking it, gruhitva, itastata bhramitavan, not bhramitavan, he moved it here and there. Okay. I mean, maybe child is there. He just picked up the conch and started rotating his hand in all directions. Shankhasya antaha kaschana pippilikaha asan. Kaschana. You remove chan, it becomes ka. Kaha. Ka ke kaha. So, strilingi, prathama bahuvachan, ka, kaha. So, some pippilika is ants. Some ants were there, asan. Kutra shankhasya antaha, inside the conch. Tasu kachit. Tasu, who can identify the tasu?
Saptami Vibhakti Bahuvachan.
Saptami Vibhakti Bahuvachan and Pratipadikam?
Strilinga.
Tad.
Tad. Lingam?
Striling.
So in those ants, tasu. Kachit pippilika. Some one ant, pippilika, tasya hastam adashat. Adashat, dashdhatu, langlakar, prathama purush, ekvach. Adashat, bit. She bit his hand. Hastam adashat. Tada saha shishyaha तीव्र वेदनाम अनुभूय Now, anubhuya is can identify somebody. Can somebody identify anubhuya?
Lebandam avyayam.
Labantam.
Anu. Avyayam.
Yeah, labantam avyam. Very good. And which is the upasarga and dhatu?
Anu upasarga bhu dhatu.
Anu upasarga.
And
Bhu dhatu.
Dhatu bhu. So what is the meaning of anu and bhu?
Anubhuya.
To
Experienced.
Experience. Okay. And since it is Lebanta is in the place of Ktwanta. I mean, if Lebanta was not there, I mean, suppose to replace this was not there, the rule, it should have been Anbhutva. But since it is the Upasarga, Tva Pratyaya is replaced by Leb Pratyaya. So Anubhuya, after experiencing, Kim Anubhuya or Kam Anubhuya, Tivra Vedanam, too much of pain he experienced. Krodhena tam shankham nadyam kshiptavan. Krodhena, by anger. Tam shankham, that conch, Dvitiya Vibhakti, both. Tam shankham. Nadyam kshiptavan. Kshiptatu, tavatu pratyaya again here. Threw, I mean, he threw. In Lakar, if you want, Saha tam shankam nadyam akshipat. So instead of akshipat, in the same sense, tavatu pratyaya is kshiptavan. He threw that conch in the river. Sarvaha pippilikaha mritaha abhavan. All the ants died because they drowned in the water of the river. Tada guruhu shishyanuktavan. So Guru said, Bho shishyaha pashyantu. Look, kachit pippilika etam adashat. So some ant etam, to him, adashat. One ant, she bit this fellow. Kintu tasyaha karanataha sarvaha api pippilikaha etena jale patita. But because of that one ant, all the others were thrown into water by this fellow. Etena jale patitaha, not patitaha, patitaha. Patitaha is they fell, and patitaha they were thrown. Kutra jale. Kena etena, this fellow, okay, they were thrown into water by this fellow. Evameva, this is the, now this has exact, I mean, correlation with the earlier story. And because of one bad fellow, that boat broke on, I mean, it dashed against the rock, broke into pieces, and many people died. So Guru is telling, see, like just one ant bit this fellow and he made all others drown in the water. Same thing. There may be some other reasons why. I mean, because of one bad fellow, all the others on the boat also died. एवमेव एकः दुष्टः भवति चेदपि तस्य प्रभावः तं परितः. Now this tam paritaha is around, and upapad vibhakti dvitiya. So tam paritaha, around him. Tam paritaha sthitanam niraparadhanam sajjananam upari api bhavati. So see, there are three words: sthitanam, niraparadhanam, sajjananam. All three same vibhakti, shashti vibhakti bahuvachan. So one of them is vishesham. Vishesham is, who can say which is the Vishesha?
Sajjanana.
Sajjananam. Okay. So that is the Visheshya, and Visheshana is Sthitanam Niraparadhanam. Both are Visheshanas of Sajjananam. But Sajjananam is not, it has a reference to others. Sajjanama Upari, on to them, or on their head, something. Upari api bhavati. So the effect, prabhava is effect. That effect is seen on the others also. Guroho vachanam shrutva sarve vismitaha abhavan. So they became surprised. I mean, they were surprised that Guru is drawing parallel between two incidents, which we feel that they are not related, but Guru is drawing this metaphor between them, right? So this is the Patha. So now we will go to the Abhyasaha. Here he has given all the, this one I had told you the trick. Take the either Saptakakaras or the Vibhaktis of Kim, Kaha, Kauke, Ka, Ke, Kaha, Kim, Ke, Kani, and just add either Chit or Chana and make it indeterminate, indefinite, you will get the answer, right? So this is the part. Let us see. Okay, come to page 83.
महोदय
पृच्छतु.
तेषु कश्चित् पुष्टः स्यात्. Among
Among them.
Gita Sopanam part 1, we said for among Adityanam Vishnu, that is Shashti.
Agreed.
But Teshu is Saptami. We should use Tasa.
No.
Kashchit.
1 minute. Okay, in Sanskrit,
Tesham.
when you want to say among them, is equivalent to of them. Okay.
Okay.
Equivalent. It, I mean, since you want to choose one of out of some people, either you use Saptami or you use Shashti, but Bahuvachan. Okay. Similarly, out of two people, you want to choose one, either you use Shashti or Saptami. But the thing is, for most of the words, Shashti Dvivachan and Saptami Dvivachan, they look alike. Okay, the pratyaya is same. So you can't make out whether it is Shashti or Saptami. But when it Bahuvachan, the this one difference is very prominent. I mean, it can be seen easily. So sometimes it is used as Shashti in that Vibhuti Yoga, which we studied earlier. Most of the places, Bhagavan has used Shashti Vibhakti. Adityanamam Vishnu Jyotisham Raviran and all that. Most of them are Shashti. But sometimes Saptami is also used. Okay. So, I mean, it is a choice for the person who wants to say something. Okay. That's all. Nothing more, nothing less.
Astu Mahodaya. Dhanyavad.
No? So it is one's own choice. You can choose anything, either Saptami or Shashti. There is no hard and fast rule. Now come to page number 83. Subhashitani Uchchai Pathada. पर्यंतो लभ्यते भूमेः समुद्रस्य गिरेरपि न कथंचित् महीपस्य चिन्तान्तः केनचित् क्वचितः. Okay, क्वचित्. This is Paryanta is the end. Okay. Paryanta labhyate bhume. You will be able to find end of the land also. Samudrasya girehe api. Girehe is giri shabda means mountain. Girehe antaha api labhyate means you will be able to find the end of the mountain also. Samudrasya api, even the ocean's end you will be able to find. But न कथंचित महीपस्य चित्तांतः. Mahipah is king. Okay, Nrupaha, Mahipah. So Mahipasya chittantah. Chittantah, end of the mind means what is there in the mind of the king. Kathan, kenachit, kvachit. Kenachit means by anybody. Now here it is a karmani prayoga. Mahipasya chittantah kenachit na labhyate. Na labhyate is not obtained kenachit by anybody. What? Mahipasya chittanta, the end of the mind, means what is there in the mind of the king. Na kathanchit kenachit api mahipasya chittantaha labhyate. You will not be able to find what is there in the mind of king. And kvachit. Kvachit is Kva is Kva means Kutra, same. Kva and Kutra are both are synonyms. So Kutrachit means anywhere in the world, you will not be able to find, nobody will be able to find what is there in the going on in the mind of king. Okay, that is the thing. Paryanto labhyate bhumehe samudrasya girerapi na katanchit mahipasya chittantaha kenachit kvachit. So this is the practical use of chit pratyaya. The next page, mithya rupam na sandarshan kenachit karhichit kvachit yatharthe vagate sadyo durgatis tasya jayate. Now here karhi. Okay. Now I think I will explain slightly use of some dictionaries. I know the meaning, but still, for your sake, now it will be able to see. Okay, I will open one dictionary here. I have been giving this to everybody. Right. Something wrong. Here is okay. If I will type here and copy and paste. Not working. Okay. No, I think there is some problem here. Okay. Anyway, from the dictionary we'll find out. I'll open my book and tell you. People can use the dictionary if they want. There is some problem in the input. The word itself is given karhichit. Karhichit is at any time. Okay. So na karhichit means at no time. Kenachit, karhichit, pachit. At no time, nowhere, and by nobody. Mithyarupam na sandarsham. Sandarsham is to be exhibited. Mithyarupam is whatever your originality is there, don't hide that. That is the meaning. Mithyarupam na sandarsham. Sandarsham is that this one, not to be shown. Mithyarupam. Other than your originality. Why? Because yatharthe avagate. The yathartha is the actual thing, your real form. If that is known, yatharthe avagate. This is Sati Saptami. Sadhyaha means immediately. Durgati tasya jayate. If somebody is exhibiting some false thing, this is something you can fool some people for all the time, all the people for some time, but you can't fool all the people for all the time. That is a thing here. Okay, once the real thing is known, then tasya durgati jayate. It becomes very horrible for him. Then next is na kaschit api janati kim kasya shvaha bhavishyati atah shva karaniyaani कुर्याद अद्यैव बुद्धिमान. कश्चित अपि न जानाति. Nobody can know. Nobody can know. The first no is no, the next no is know. Nobody can know. Kim kasya shvaha bhavishyati. What will happen to whom tomorrow? Nobody can say. Ataha, therefore, shvaha karaniyani. Tomorrow, whatever you want to do, those kariniyani karyani, kuryat adyaiva buddhi. Buddhiman adya eva kuryat. Now, kuryat is kru dhatu, vidiling lakar, prathama purush ekvachan. He should do today itself all these things. And next is न जायते म्रियते वा कदाचिन्नायं भूत्वा भविता वा न भूयात्. Kadachit, at some time or any time. Na jayate. Krishna is telling about the Atma. Atma na jayate kadachit. Doesn't get born anytime. Na mriyate va. Or doesn't die at any time. And the rest we will leave for the fourth stage, Gita Sopan 4. We all will have to do the analysis. Nadatte kasyachit papam nachaiva sukritam vibhuhu ajnane anavrutam jnanam tena muyyanti jantavaha. Now da dadati dhatu atmanepadi datte means gives. Adatte means takes. Na adatte doesn't take. Kasyachit papam. Now remove chit. Kasya means Shashti Vibhakti. So kasyachit papam. Anybody's papam. Na datte. Na adatte. Doesn't take. Who? Vibhuhu means Bhagwan. Bhagwan does not take anybody's papa. Na chaiva sukritam. Sukritam is punya. So the God does not take the credit rather for anything done good by you or anything done bad by you, by anybody. Okay. Bhagwan is beyond all this. That is a. Then we will next line we will learn later in the fourth stage. Asatam sangadoshena sadhava nitya yanti vikriyam. Okay. Asatam sangadoshena. Sangadosh is because of the what you say company, the very fact of the company of bad people. Asatam. Sadhavaha yanti vikriyam. Sadhavaha is the good people. Yanti gachanti vikriyam, to the bad stage. Okay.
Mahodaya, karhichit artham.
Karhichit means nowhere. I opened that one. It is kari. Again, I'll open that. I have tried to show you on the dictionary on the net, but I'm not able to input proper characters.
I think you can use Google keyboard. It will come.
No, Google keyboard, I'm not in favor. First of all, I don't know. And second is, I will not advise anybody to use that because it is complicated. I will request Google also to discontinue with that. Yeah, karhichit at any time. Same thing like kadachit. Karhichit and kadachit are more equivalent. Okay. And kvachit is same thing as same kadachit. No, sorry. Kvachit is same thing as kutrachit.
Sir. Sir, one point.
Yes.
Sir, suktihi, meaning once more you tell. Once more you kindly tell this meaning of sukti. Asatam sangadoshena sadhavo yanti vikriyam.
Okay. Asatam. No. First, let us identify. What is asatam? How to identify? Which pratyaya?
Asatam.
No. What is pratyaya first of all?
Asapratyaya.
No. As is not a pratyaya. Okay. Am is the pratyaya. Asatam. Pratyaya will always be at the end. So among the list that I have given you in table number 1, am is the pratyaya. So you remove that. What remains?
Tam.
Am. Asat.
Satam.
Asat. You remove am from
Asat.
Asat.
Okay.
So sat, asat. Right?
Okay, understood.
So asatam.
Asat sangadoshena sadhavo yanti vikriyam.
Vikriyam is a bad state.
Bad people.
Bad state.
Bad sangama.
No. That is the destination. They go where?
Okay.
Sadhavaha yanti. Sadhavaha gachanti. Vikriyam is a bad state. They go to the bad state. Means they land into trouble basically. Because of what?
Okay.
Sangha doshana. Sangha is the friendship. The bad effect of friendship. With whom? Asatam. Bad people. Vikriyam, I know the word.
Dhanyavad.
No problem. Vikriya is there. See, Vikriya in the dictionary is given as agitation, excitement, perturbation, excitement of passion, anger. These are the bad things. Reverse, evil. So many things are there. Any sudden movement, violation, vitiation. These are the so many meanings are there. That means basically bad thing.
Sir,
Ah,
this Yanti means one of the other shloka also I heard Yantu Deva Gana Sarve. So Yantu, Yanti, how it because Santi I have heard, but Yanti means what?
okay, I will show you on the screen. Okay.
Please, sir.
Okay, right. Just give me 2 minutes. I'll share the screen. Okay, now I open my favorite ashtadhyay.com. Okay, and I go to Dhatu part. Okay, then I type here Ya. Okay, Arey, Dhatu part, why it is not given Ya? Okay, no problem. See here, you can see this Dhatu 2.0044 Ya. Are you able to see the screen?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So Ya is a Dhatu. And I click on that. See here, Yati, Yataha, Yanti. Okay. So what is the meaning of Ya? Here.
Tita Anti, this is Lat Lakar, sir. That one.
Lat Lakar. Bahuvachan.
Yah,
Not Yaha.
Ya.
Ya is a Dhatu. Okay. But if you go to,
Yes, sir.
I will show you another thing. Okay. This Kim Sarvanam is there. I put Yad. But why it is not showing Strilingam? I don't know. No problem. They are not. Maybe they are not come up with that. This one. Yat Sarvanam. If you take Strilingam, it will be Ya. Ya Kundendu Tusharahara Dhala. You remember?
Yes, sir. Yakun then Yantu Dev Gana Sarve. That is also there. Puja Madaya Mamakim.
Okay. So Yantu, what is your this one? Ya Dhatu, okay. Which Lakar it should be?
Yantu Bhavatu Lot Lakar.
Okay, very good.
Last one. Pratham Purush Bahuvachan.
Okay, very good. Now see for yourself. Click here. Read. Yatu, Yatat, Yatam, Yantu. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So basically, Yam is to go. Gacha. Gacha. Yati is Gachati. Same thing. Okay. So Yanti Vikriyam is Gachanti Vikriyam. Ya and Gama is almost same. There is no change. Okay.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Right. So now this lesson is almost over. Either you can ask from here or from your earlier lessons, because next week Saturday will be an exam.
Sir, this last part, Chatu Shloka.
Which one?
Page number 84.
84. Okay. Yeah, which one?
This last part, Chatu Shloka. What is this Chatu Shloka?
Oh, Chatu Shloka. Chatu Shloka are some, I mean, it is like Subhashitam, but not exactly. I mean, something, it is like in English we say idioms and proverbs and so many other things. So like that it is. Okay. Now I'll give an example. Okay. You go to a park. Okay. And there is a bench there kept on that. You go there to park in the evening when it is a dark and all that. So somebody comes there and you are watching the sky. So that fellow asks you, what are you watching? You say, I'm watching some stars and all that. So he will ask you, how many stars are there in the sky? You give some number, so many million, trillion, billion, whatever it is. And you confidently tell, I am a student of astronomy, I know how many stars are. So tell him 101 billion stars and all that. He will believe you. Okay. But when he wants to sit on the bench which is recently painted, you tell him, don't touch that bench. It is painted recent. The paint is wet. It is not dried up. So that fellow will go and touch the paint. He will believe you when you say there are 101 billion stars. But when you, which is obvious, very near, he will go and touch the paint. Okay. Same thing here.
Okay.
Huh? अद्य अष्टमी इति नवमी इति चतुर्दशी इति ज्योतिष्यवाचो पवसन्ति भक्त्या. ज्योतिष्यवाचः उपवसन्ति भक्त्या. That is the way Sandhi Vigraha. Jyotishyavachaha means the sayings of the Jyotishi. I mean the astrologer or astronomer, whatever it is. Upavasanti is to believe. Upavasati. Okay. Bhaktya, with faith, with Shraddha. You will believe Jyotisham. What they will say? Adya Ashtami. Today is Ashtami. Or today Navami. Or Chaturdashi. Whatever he says, you believe. Today, who is going to verify? Today Chaturdashi or this one. But when some other person comes and अहो श्रुतेः तत्त्वमसि इति वाक्यं न विश्वसिति अद्भुतम एतदेव. In the Shruti, that is in the Vedas, what is told? Tattvamasi. This is the Veda Vakyam, na? Tattvamasi. You are him, or he is you, or something like that. Tattvamasi. So, Shrutehe etad vakyam na vishwasanti. Nobody believes when you say that. Etat adbhutam eva. This is very strange. That when the Jyotishi comes and tells you today Ashtami or today Navami or today Chaturdashi, you believe him. But when somebody says, when some sage says that in the Vedas it is written that Tattvamasi, you are the him or he is you. Nobody believes him. You fool, you don't know him, like that. So this is Chatu Shloka. Now read whatever it is given at the bottom. Adya Ashtami ata bhojanam na kriyate. That is the meaning, okay? Why? Because the Jyotishi will tell today is a Ashtami, so you should not eat anything. What for? I don't know. Adya Navami ataha upavasaha. चतुर्दशी कारणतः उपवासः क्रियते मया इत्यादीनि वचनानि बहुधा श्रूयन्ते लोके। तादृशेषु दिनेषु उपवासस्य आचरणात् पुण्यमिति ज्योतिषिकैः यदुक्तं तद् विश्वसन्तः जनाः एव व्यवहरन्ति. We believe them and we observe like that. किन्तु तत्त्वमसि प्रभृतिषु वाक्येषु जनाः विश्वासं न कुर्वन्ति. In this vakya which is given in the Vedas, Tattvamasi, like Prabhuti is etc. Okay, Tattvamasi Prabhutishu Vakyeshu Janaha Vishwasam na kurvanti. Bahyacharane adhika shraddha Tattve ashraddha cha lokasya svabhava bhavati prayaha. Mostly people don't believe the inner thing. Okay, who will enter deep into that philosophy? Whatever is the just day-to-day observable things, we'll follow that. That is the meaning.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Now we'll come to your this one discussion. Anybody who has any doubt, because next week is the exam, so kindly clarify all the doubts. Now I'll tell you something about the exam. Okay, the paper is ready. It is in two forms. It is in Word document as well as I have made a PDF document. Okay, I will send both of them on the WhatsApp group. If you are able to edit on the Word document itself, typing Devanagari letters, no harm. It's up to you. I mean, I don't have anything. I mean, download that, type on that and enter this one and enter only the answers. If you are not, then you have two choices. Either you get the PDF form printed and on that printed form you write answers with your pen and take a photograph and send it to me on WhatsApp. Third option, don't take printout, just keep the PDF in front of you and on your own blank paper, just write the question number, say 1A or 1C, 1D. Okay, that is a question number and a sub question number 1C or 1F or 4D. Just write with the pen and only the answer. Don't write the entire question on that. Okay, whatever is maybe one word answer or maybe one sentence or whatever it is. Write on a piece of paper, blank paper, only the answers. No need to copy the questions. At the top of this one, you write your name, take a photograph and send it to me by WhatsApp. So there are three options. If you are able to type on the Word document itself in Devanagari, no harm, well and good. Take it, type your answers in the space provided for the answers and save the file and send me the file on WhatsApp. Second option, take a printout, write your answers on that with your pen, take a photograph and send it. If you are not able to go out and take a printout because of Corona, no harm. Just keep the PDF file in front of you. Write only the question number, sub question number, that's all. And opposite to that, write the answers with your pen. At the top of the paper, you write your name and all that. Take a photograph and send it to me by WhatsApp. Right? So very easy. Nobody will fail. I can I can assure. Now you can ask any questions.
Sir, is it within 2 hours we need to send it to you, or how is it?
What we will try to do is, we will, I mean, there is no hard and fast rule because you try to finish it between this 10 to 12, okay, and send me as early as possible. So at 10 o'clock, I will send the both Word and PDF file on the WhatsApp group, and you take, and maybe by 12 o'clock we should finish. At the most, I will wait up to 12:30. Okay. After 12:30, no paper will be accepted. Okay.
Okay.
So try to finish as early as possible, and very easy paper, nothing to worry. And I will not open this team link that time. Only WhatsApp will do. I'll send a paper by WhatsApp. Write your answers either in the Word file, typing on your system, or on your mobile. I mean, I don't know if it is possible. Not possible, no harm. Take a printout, or on a blank paper, just write the answers and send me the photograph. Okay. The photograph can be in this one JPG or this one form. I mean, whatever the photograph, this one, or you can make it as a PDF file. It's up to you. I mean, because there may be some people who may not be knowing how to convert that and all that. So nothing doing. Just take the nothing to worry. Just take the photograph and send me the answers. Okay. And
so on third hour, regular class will not be there.
On Saturday we will not have any regular class. The same timing is to be used for writing the exam.
Okay.
Sunday, 4th October, regular class will be there.
So what time you'll send the paper on WhatsApp, sir, to take out print?
Exactly, just about 5 minutes, or maybe 9:45 I'll upload the paper. Okay. I mean, if you have a printer at your home, no problem. Don't go out. I mean, I don't want that because of you we went outside to take the printout and we got infected by corona. No, please don't do that.
Okay.
Okay. Your safety is most important, utmost important. Okay. Sanskrit can be learned. We have got enough time. Okay. In this, I will quote one shloka by, I think, Bharvi. Something like that. Okay. Kalo yayam niravadir vipula cha prithvi. So there was, there were two poets of great fame. Now we regard, I forgot, one was Kalidasa, other maybe Bharvi or something. So people, at that time, people used to give more importance to say Kalidasa. So this other fellow, he said, Kaloi ayam niravadir. The time is infinite. There is no limit for time. So if not today, tomorrow, people will accept my poetry. And Vipula cha Prithvi, the land is also there. Bhumi is also abundant. If not in this country, in some other country, people will value my poetry. Okay. So like that, Kalo yayam niravadir. There is an infinite time. Just because we are not able to this one, there's nothing will be lost. We have got enough lifetime ahead of us. Don't endanger your life because of this exam. Okay. As much as possible, you stay at home, write in this one. If you have got a printer at home, no problem. Please go ahead.
Which chapter it is?
Okay. Now I will say Shanti Mantra, and then I'll discontinue recording. Then we'll have attendance, and then we can. Okay. Sarve bhavantu sukhinah. Sarve santu niramayah. Sarve bhadrani pashyantu. Ma kaschid dukkha bhag bhavet. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.